Aloha, friends! Today we're taking a trip to the beautiful islands of Hawaii to explore a breakfast that is hearty, indulgent, and full of flavor, Loco Moco. This iconic Hawaiian dish combines rice, a savory hamburger patty, a fried egg, and a rich brown gravy, creating a comforting and satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. Let's start by talking about the ingredients. The foundation of Loco Moco is simple but essential. White rice cooked until fluffy and warm. This forms the base that holds all the flavors together. On top of that, we have a juicy hamburger patty, seasoned with salt, pepper, and sometimes a touch of garlic or soy sauce for extra umami. Next comes the fried egg, with a runny yolk that will melt into the patty and rice, creating a creamy, rich texture. And finally, the magic ingredient, brown gravy. A savory, silky gravy made from beef stock, butter, flour, and seasonings. It's the element that ties everything together and makes Loco Moco truly indulgent. Optional ingredients can make your Loco Moco even more special. Some like to add sautéed mushrooms, caramelized onions, or a sprinkle of green onions for freshness. Others may include a touch of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce in the gravy for depth. And if you want to embrace Hawaiian flair, a side of fresh pineapple or a little hot sauce can add an extra punch of flavor. Now let's talk about the gravy, because it's key to the dish. Start by melting butter in a saucepan and whisking in flour to create a roux. Cook it for a couple of minutes until lightly golden and aromatic. Gradually add beef stock while whisking constantly to avoid lumps, and let it simmer until thickened and silky. Season with salt, black pepper, and optional soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce. This gravy is rich, flavorful, and the glue that brings the rice, hamburger, and egg together into one delicious harmony. As for assembling Loco Moco, start with a bed of hot, fluffy rice. Place the cooked hamburger patty on top, followed by the fried egg. Then, pour the warm, velvety gravy generously over everything. Optional toppings like sautéed mushrooms, green onions, or a side of fresh pineapple can be added at this point. The result is a hearty, messy, and absolutely comforting plate that's full of textures and flavors, soft rice, juicy meat, creamy egg, and savory gravy, all combined. Now, let's talk about the history of Loco Moco. This dish was created in Hilo, Hawaii in the late 1942. Legend has it that a local cafe needed a quick, inexpensive, and filling meal for young locals who wanted something different from the usual breakfast. They combined simple ingredients that were already available: rice, a hamburger patty, an egg, and gravy. The name Loco Moco is said to have been coined by one of the cafe's regulars. Loco meaning crazy in Spanish, capturing the playful, unconventional combination of flavors, and Moco as a nickname that stuck. Since then, Loco Moco has grown beyond Hilo to become a staple across Hawaii. Every family, cafe, and diner has its own version. Some use different types of meat, like spam, sausage, or even loco seafood versions. But the heart of the dish remains the same: rice, protein, egg, and rich gravy, a simple combination that has become an enduring symbol of Hawaiian comfort food. Loco Moco is more than just breakfast. It's a reflection of Hawaii's diverse culinary culture. It's hearty, satisfying, and communal, perfect for sharing with family and friends. Whether you're enjoying it on a sunny beach, at a local diner, or even making it at home, Loco Moco embodies the warmth, creativity, and aloha spirit of Hawaii. So there you have it, Loco Moco, a dish that's messy, hearty, comforting, and utterly delicious. It's a plate full of culture, flavor, and history, reminding us how simple ingredients can come together to create something extraordinary. As we wrap up, Loco Moco isn't just a breakfast, it's a taste of Hawaii's culture. Fluffy rice, A juicy hamburger patty, a runny egg, and rich gravy come together in a comforting, indulgent harmony. Every bite tells a story of creativity, community, and aloha spirit. Whether at a Hawaiian diner or made at home, Loco Moco is more than food. It's an experience, a tradition, and a delicious celebration of life.